Hello, in front of me I've got Potensic ATOM 2. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to dedicated app. In the beginning, let's go to Play Store or App Store and download Potensic Eve app. After downloading it, install it. Then, connect your smartphone to controller. In original case, you can find two cables like this. One USB-C Lightning and one USB-C USB-C. Connect correct USB cable to your smartphone and then connect it to the controller right here. Next, turn on the controller, and once it's done, make sure to connect it to your drone. In order to do it, turn on the drone. You can do it by pressing this button once and then on the second press and hold. After you turn it on, right here you will have connection button. Press it and the drone will automatically connect to the controller. Afterwards tap fly now and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.